Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 24th, 2019, and I'm going to be planting, let's see right here, and these are also known, I believe it's pronounced calibrachoa. I'm not 100% sure on the pronunciation of that. This is the Feasible Paradise Island Mix, and I'm going to be using my Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix here. And I'll have a link down in the description for this. So I'm just adding my water to it here. You want your mix moist, but not soupy. Get this all mixed up here. If you accidentally happen to get too much water in, just go ahead and add some more seed starting mix in. I'm going to be actually planting these in a 6-pack here. I'm just stuffing my seed starting mix in here. And my mom loves Million Bells, and she picked the seeds out, and she wanted to get them, so they're going to be new. Growing these is going to be new from seed this year for me. I've never grown these from seed before. They said you can put them in 6-packs or cell packs or like a flat, so I'm just using a cell pack here. Now, Million Bell seeds need light to germinate. And the Feasible Paradise Island Mix is it's a combined of 3 different colors. It's the Kabloom series and multi-pelleted seeds. Each pellet will contain 5 to 7 seeds, and it'll have 3 different varieties in each one. So let me get this open here. This is how it was shipped. It's in like a little enclosed pod, sort of. And this is what it looks like. Now, each one of these has 5 to 7 seeds in it. It sort of, in a way, looks like a miniature pony bead. Oops. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pressing this into the soil, but I'm not covering the seed pod thing. And the soil being moist should help to, this is actually neat looking. It's, you can see the seeds actually in it. I've never seen a pelleted seed like this. Just nestle this in here, make sure it gets nice contact with the soil. And then I'm going to take warm water and an eyedropper. I'm just going to dab over top to get that seed coating, to get that pelleted coating moist. So these should germinate in 7 to 14 days. And germination is at 70 to 75 degrees. So I'm going to be putting this actually in one of my grow boxes. If you had like a heat germination mat, I would recommend putting it on that. Okay, so I'm going to label these here now. And I want to show you as a close-up here. The pellets actually are melting, and it's releasing the seeds out. So I'm going to be putting this under my light, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually put this in one of my grow boxes. Now this does need light to germinate, so it is where it's going to be getting the light that it needs to germinate the seeds. Now I will check on these every day. If I notice that the soil is getting dry or something like that, I will go ahead and take my spray bottle and just mist across the top of it to make sure that my seed starting mix stays nice and moist. And when these come up, I will come back with more videos, and I will show you what they look like. And what this actually does is the light heats the box up. It's I have foil insulation, and the light heats the box up, and it helps the seeds to germinate because it gives the warmth and the heat that it needs. So if you don't have a setup like this, then I would recommend like a bottom heat, like a germination mat. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.